Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome to Astro Power and Vedic Secrets Inside, your sacred space where ancient Vedic wisdom meets modern life challenges. I'm Ria, your host, and today we are diving deep into a truly transformational topic: how Chandraghanta Homa can help you break through career barriers. If you have been hitting wall after wall in your professional journey, whether you are stuck in a job you dislike, facing constant rejection, or feeling invisible despite your efforts, this episode is for you. And don't worry, we'll keep it practical, relatable, and of course, spiritually enriching. Let's begin. Let's start by acknowledging the elephant in the room. Career struggles are real, and they are not just about resumes or LinkedIn profiles. They are deeply tied to energy, your inner alignment, karmic patterns, and sometimes unresolved spiritual blocks. Let me ask you this: have you ever worked extremely hard for something, done everything right, and still nothing moves? Maybe you are in the US applying for tech roles in Silicon Valley or aiming for a promotion in your New York firm. You have got the skills, you have got the degrees, but somehow the universe just don't seem to open the doors. That's where spiritual remedies like Chandraghanta Homa comes in. Who is Goddess Chandraghanta? Goddess Chandraghanta is the third form of Navdurga, symbolizing courage, grace, and the power to destroy negativity and injustice. Her energy is fierce, protective, and deeply transformative. She rides a tiger and holds weapons in her 10 hands. This isn't just symbolism, it represents her ability to cut through obstacles, especially those related to fear, self-doubt, societal pressure, and hidden karmic blocks, many of which directly affect your career. At Astro Power, we conduct authentic Chandraghanta Homa rituals guided by experienced Vedic priests. And yes, we offer these online. So even if you are based in San Francisco, Chicago, or Dallas, you can be part of this powerful transformation. Let me share a real example. One of our clients, let's call her Anjali, was an Indian origin software engineer based in Boston. For nearly 2 years, she had been struggling with job instability, layoffs, rejection, visa delays, you name it. When she came to us, we did an Nari astrology reading and found career-related doshas in her chart. We recommended the Chandraghanta Homa to cleanse energetic blocks and invoke divine courage. Within 6 weeks, she received a full-time job offer from a major fintech firm with a salary hike. She later told us it wasn't just about the job, she felt lighter, more confident, more in the flow. Now, that's the power of divine intervention combined with Vedic precision. So why is Chandraghanta Homa so effective for career problems? Here are just a few reasons. Firstly, it removes energetic resistance. Whether it's karmic baggage, ancestral blocks, or past life patterns, the Homa cleanses your spiritual path. Secondly, it boosts self-worth and courage. Confidence is the key in career growth, and the goddess blesses you with inner power. Thirdly, it attracts favorable outcomes. Think job opportunities, visa approval, recognition, even leadership roles. Lastly, it balances emotional instability. Fear of failure, anxiety before interviews, imposter syndrome all get addressed on an energetic level. And here at Astro Power, we handle everything from selecting the most auspicious date based on your birth details to offering the Homa on your behalf. You can even attend virtually, live from wherever you are. Now, let's understand how the process works at Astro Power. At Astro Power, we have made ancient rituals accessible for the modern soul. Here's how it works. You have reached out to us through our website or WhatsApp. We schedule a brief consultation and check if Chandraghanta Homa aligns with your astrological chart. Once confirmed, we arrange a personalized Homa ceremony. You'll get live stream access, prasadam sent to your location, a detailed ritual report. Whether you are in Mumbai or Miami, you are spiritually present. Let's address a few common questions we get. Do I have to be physically present for the Homa to work? Not at all. Energy knows no bounds. The Homa is performed with your name, birth details, and Sankalp. Many of our US-based clients witness results even while attending virtually. How soon can I expect results? Every person's karmic timeline is different. Some experience shifts in 2 to 3 weeks, while others take a few months. What's important is that change begins immediately at an energetic level. Can this help with business or startup struggles? Absolutely. Chandraghanta Homa isn't limited to jobs. It helps entrepreneurs remove financial blocks, attract investors, and make clearer decisions. So if you are feeling stuck, discouraged, or uncertain about your next career move, maybe it's time to stop hustling harder and start healing smarter. Let the divine energy of Goddess Chandraghanta clear the path for you. At Astrobhava, we are honored to be the bridge between your karma and your calling. Let us walk this journey with you. Visit astrobhava.com or drop us a message on WhatsApp to schedule your personalized Chandraghanta Homa today. And remember, when divine grace meets sincere effort, miracles happen. Until the next time, keep your spirit aligned, your intentions pure, and your energy sacred. This is Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets signing off with light and blessing.